As Myanmar's New Year approaches in Mandalay, Sigi volunteers are delivering care packages to families of monastery school students, helping the community recover from last year's earthquake. After a powerful earthquake struck Mandalay last March, Sigi volunteers from around the world have continued to support local children in their education. Now, they are sending their best wishes during the festive season. Local volunteers in Mandalay took the lead, helping with the distribution with genuine joy. In Mandalay's poorest neighborhoods, Sigi volunteers make their way along rough paths to deliver much-needed aid and support. Their efforts bring not just relief, but also warmth and human connection. ITV reports.